Here are some examples of the different types of square video wrappers you can use on your social media videos to get more views and engagement. Here's an example showing the before and after adding a video wrapper. Stay tuned to the end of the video to learn how to create these video wrappers, where to use them, and how to download ready-made templates so you can quickly and easily create your own video wrappers. I use ScreenFlow video editing software for the Mac to create my square videos. You can use your own video editor to do the same. Click the ScreenFlow icon, click Configure Recording, click New Document, click the drop down, click Instagram, and change it to 1080 by 1080. This is a square video. Click the icon. Here's a video I downloaded from YouTube and imported into ScreenFlow. Notice that it has the ugly black bars at the top and bottom of the video. Now I'm going to add my square wrapper. Now I'm going to add a heading. I'm going to add some subtitles to the bottom. Since this is for Instagram, I'll finish it with click link and bio for more info. That's all you have to do to create a square video with square video wrappers for Instagram and Facebook. I can also use some different video wrappers, such as this one, and this one for interviews. I can also use countdowns, flashes, slide-ins. Click the link in the description to get your package of video wrappers now. You know, as people are scrolling through their Facebook or Instagram feed, the square videos with the square video wrappers stand out in the feed, so it'll be easier to click on them. This will make people click on your video instead of your competitors' videos. You can add your own headlines, captions, progress bars, motion backgrounds to make your videos stand out in the feeds. Here are some more examples of the different types of video wrappers you can use, such as bubbles, moving grass, sound bars, and paper tiers. All you have to do is import these square video wrappers into your favorite video editor. The video is not software but motion graphics that you can import into any video editor. Once you get these amazing video wrappers, you can use them unlimited times on your own videos or even on your clients' videos. If you want to get more views and engagement on social media with square video wrappers, click the link in the description below this video. You'll be glad you did.